Severe convective storms can be absolutely devastating, causing major damage to buildings, cars, trees, and even loss of human life. Tornadoes and thunderstorms are held responsible for over one-third of the 1 billion weather disasters over the last 25 years in the United States. The states that are most likely to have a tornado are the states that are in what is known as Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley includes states such as Texas, Kansas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, Missouri, Iowa, and South Dakota. It is being projected that storm intensity and the number of storms are going to increase in the future. But not everything about these storms are easy to quantify and predict. The data of all tornadoes comes from first-hand experience and eyewitnesses. This includes storm chasers and law enforcement. An interesting fact is that since 1970 in the United States, there has been a decrease in the amount of days that produce the conditions necessary for a tornado. But on those days, there has been an increase in the amount of tornadoes that have been coming from those conditions.